100% virgin hair in the building. I mean, synthetic. 100% synthetic hair in the building.
I'm all the way up, and you can stay up. And if you ask anybody where I live, they point to the hills and say, go all the way up.
So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Yeah.
If you guys hear noise, it's the air, okay? I don't know, it's probably not that loud. I'm actually gonna try to revamp this synthetic wig that I have, and I don't really know how it's gonna turn out, to be honest, because you know, this is probably not a good time to try to do this, because it's like when you gotta go somewhere and then you're trying to, like, last minute trying to create a style or make something work, it can be kind of challenging. So I actually went and dug in my old wig bag and found this wig. I'm not actually sure which one this is, but as you guys can see, it's very matted, it's very tangled. I don't know which one this is at all. All right, y'all, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
So that's impressive.
This is a complete mess. What the heck is this? First of all, who, what, and why? Okay. Now, my synthetic wigs, I wear them religiously, okay? But first, I'm just gonna go in and detangle it the best way I can. And I'm probably gonna work in sections. That way, I won't be pulling and messing up the hair. It's not actually too bad once you brush it out, because it's still soft, but it was matted. Oh, she coming on. If you guys are new, I always cut off my lace before I install it anyway, so this process is really not going to be that much different. Like I said, you can clean off your lace, you can wash your wig if you want. This wig is not washed, I haven't washed it at all. I'm just going to center it to make sure it's centered before I lay it down, and like I said, everything lines up exactly the same. Well, it should anyway. I'm just gonna use my wig dealer wig spray. It's portable, I can carry it when I need it, so that's what's gonna get the job done. So I actually got this stuff from Amazon, I think. It's called Simply Styling Light Silk Spray. It says it's a pure silicone spray and it eliminates frizz, straightens, renews, extensions, and wigs. I've actually never used this stuff before. I bought it, but I haven't gotten around to using it yet. So I'm gonna put it in this wig, and as you guys can see, this wig is very frizzy, kind of matted, even though I went in to detangle it. I don't know how much to put in there, so I'm just gonna spray lightly. Okay, and it smells, kind of smells like baby powder. I think it did something. I don't know what it did yet. I know it smells good though. It smells like baby powder or something around that nature. So this is the before and this is the after. And like, I feel like it really made a difference. Like I said, this wasn't an as old wig, but y'all seen what it was looking like prior. Don't say nothing about tangling though. So once this gets done melting, I'm probably gonna let it sit for another 5 minutes and then I will be back. So of course, from the first time I installed it, I already had baby hairs, so technically you can just follow the guideline if you had baby hairs before. Alright guys, so this is pretty much how everything turns out. Like I said, honey, I needed water to curl it hair, and honestly I didn't have time to do that, so I just actually cut it a little bit and then I just, you know, left it straight. Now I love the density on it because like when it's straight and it's thick, it's not see-through, so nobody can be coming for me. Like, now it does got a little extra shine to it. this is how it is. Like I said, it's not shedding now. I can literally run my hands through it. You know, I get a few snags and tags here and there when I'm going throughout the hair, but overall I made it quick, I made it simple, and I made it easy. Like I said, it's just a same wig, just different. I just straightened it. Now I'll probably take this same wig in a later video and come back and show you guys how we'll curl it back, because I'm sure that's what you guys are wondering. You know, how you gonna put the curls back in there? I got y'all, just not in today's video. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.
So that's impressive, how much I'm missing.